Frustrated with the Detect Library DLL pop-up blocking localized detection logic? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Detect Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Detect Library, a generic hardware and software detection module. It manages unmanaged routines for system resource identification, facilitating the orchestration of software compatibility manifests and hardware-specific data link retrieval. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Detect is part of the Localized detection logic package. A full reinstall of the latest official version of Localized detection logic will repair missing or damaged components. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Detect Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Detect Library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for Detect Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped detect library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.